dictation material has been obtained from para 17 official. Full stop. Members mean in relation to a company having share capital are subscribed to the memorandum of the company, and every person to whom is allotted or who becomes the holder of any share, scrip or other security which gives him a voting right in the company and whose name is entered in the register of members, and in relation to a company not having a share capital, any person who has agreed to become a member of the company and whose name is so entered. Full stop. Memorandum means the memorandum of association of a company as originally framed or as altered from time to time in pursuance of the provision of any previous Companies Act or of this ordinance. Full stop. Prescribed means as respects the provisions of this ordinance relating to the winding up of companies and other matters requiring to be determined or decided by the court, prescribed by rules made by the Supreme Court in consultation with the High Courts, or where the Supreme Court advises the federal government to do so, by the federal government in consultation with the High Courts and as respect the other provisions. Full stop. Para. Associated companies and associated undertakings mean any two or more companies or undertakings or a company and an undertaking interconnected with each other in the following manner, namely, if a person who is the owner or a partner or director of a company or undertaking, or who directly or indirectly holds or controls shares carrying not less than 20% of the voting power in such company or undertaking, is also the owner or partner or director of another company or undertaking, or directly or indirectly holds or controls shares carrying not less than 20% of the voting power in that company or undertaking, or if the companies or undertakings are under common. Full stop. This para has been dictated by Kamran, working as PA in Civil Secretariat, Lahore.